What up, y'all? Guys, how good does this look right now? Woo! It's just a shame that the camera can't do this beautiful color justice. It's a lot more red in person. But for those of you that saw my community post yesterday, you would have seen that I got these massive valve covers painted in this beautiful red. It's the same color that we done the intake tubes in. Man, I wish you guys could see it like I see it. Try and get my shadow out of the way. Damn. Looks so aggressive. Now you can actually start to see how huge this engine inside this car is. Now that we have all these colors sort of breaking up everything, giving it that sort of contrast. But guys, I'm making this video today because I want to share the moment with you that I put that intake on, only because I'm so excited. Alright you guys, let's do this. That's it. How good does this look? Jeez. Man, this red really pops in the sun. Damn. At first I thought there might be a little bit too much red going on, but considering we still got to put the coils in, which are black, it will sort of like break that contrast between the red and the black. And also once we have the fenders on, you guys have seen which color I've chosen for the fenders. It would definitely break up the whole red and black scheme that we sort of aiming for. Kind of just happened. Sort of just chose these colors as we went along. You know, the further you move back, the better it starts to look. Now this is the exception of the common case of nice from far but far from nice. This is the exception, guys. I don't know if I've already mentioned, but we still gotta tap this hole, and where's the other one? Right at the back. Yeah, you can see there's another hole there, like with a ring thing on it. We gotta tap that to put our fittings for our breather catch can system. Also got to do it on this side. They're like symmetrical, so they're in the same place. So I want to have two catch cans on either side of this, just, you know, to keep symmetry, and I think it's going to be a lot better than trying to have things crossing over and all going to one side. Gotta say guys, this build is really coming together nicely now. Just everything is looking so good. We still got to complete this front end, you know, to house the radiator and the AC, and, you know, maybe sometime soon, hopefully, an intercooler for 12 of our turbos. But I think right now we're looking good.